We didn't create the skies and the earth and whatever lies in between them out of play at all. This is not a game to Allah. There are people who believe in a God, or they talk philosophically in kind of liberal terms about Allah. They're very free in what they say about Allah because they're open-minded. And they say, maybe there's a God out there, but He's just, He's bored, so He just made this universe and He's kind of playing around with us. He'll throw in a flood here, an earthquake there, and kind of crash a plane over there, and He's just kind of having His fun with us. He's toying with us. And Allah responds to this idea. And by the way, for example, in Hindu creed, this is actually one of their elements in one dimension of Hindu creed, is that God actually plays with humanity. He toys like a child that's just playing with toys, ma'adallah. Like a child, kid has action figures, they're at his mercy, he's smashing them into each other or whatever. What's the big deal? There's no wisdom or, and this blasphemy. And so they say, well, maybe there is a God. Yeah, you know what? I'm ready to believe there's a God, but you know what? Why is He playing around with us? Why is He doing this to us? وَمَا خَلَقْنَاهُمَا وَمَا خَلَقْنَا السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا بَيْنَهُمَا لَاعِبِينَ. Remember this because it's going to come later on again in the next surah. وَمَا خَلَقْنَاهُمَا إِلَّا بِالْحَقِّ. We didn't create them at all except with purpose. All of these things were created to meet a goal. وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. However, most of them, they don't even know. إِنَّ يَوْمَ الْفَصْلِ مِيقَاتُهُمْ أَجْمَعِينَ. And here's the purpose of the skies and the earth, to wind down eventually and present themselves before Allah for the day of judgment to happen. The day of the final decision making. Al-Fasl, مِيقَاتُهُمْ أَجْمَعِينَ, is their appointed time. Miqat from waqt, the powerful time, the great time for all of them. يَوْمَ لَا يُغْنِي مَوْلًا عَنْ مَوْلًا شَيْئًا. The day on which no powerful friend, no protecting friend is going to aid any other protecting friend in any way, shape or form. وَلَا هُمْ يُنصَرُونَ. And they're not the ones that are going to be aided. إِلَّا مَنْ رَحِمَ اللَّهِ. Except the one that Allah would show mercy and love to. إِنَّهُ هُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الرَّحِيمُ. Certainly He is the ultimate authority, the one who always shows love and mercy.